The Madrid System is a simple, low-cost and effective way for businesses to extend the protection of their trademarks around the world. It's simple because it streamlines and centralizes the process of obtaining and managing protection of trademarks internationally. Instead of filing multiple applications, trademark owners can file one single international application in one place, in one language, and in one currency. And for renewals, there's just one date to monitor. It's low cost because cutting down costs on administration saves trademark owners time and money. One set of fees allows for possible trademark protection in many countries. It's effective because a single international registration simultaneously has potential legal effect in multiple territories, including the European Union with its community trademark. It's also a system which is predictable yet flexible. It's predictable because the formal requirements and criteria are standardized and recognized by all members, and there's a fixed deadline for confirmation or refusal of the effect in each designated territory. It's also flexible because as companies extend into new markets, they can also extend territorial protection of their internationally registered trademarks in a single step. Subsequent amendments to a trademark registration, such as changes in a company name, address or ownership, can also be easily recorded by means of a single central procedure. All of this adds up to a win-win situation, helping businesses develop their export potential, gain access to new markets, and increase their competitiveness. And there are benefits for governments too. The Madrid System boosts economic growth by assisting in the development of exports and creating a more favourable climate for foreign direct investment. Revenue from international applications and registrations through the Madrid System is also shared amongst all stakeholders. Like this, the contribution of every intellectual property office is rewarded. The Madrid System is going from strength to strength. It's continually expanding. As more countries join, more of the world's established and emerging markets are covered. Without doubt, the Madrid System is the smart business solution for trademark protection worldwide. The #1 solution for international trademark registration, the Madrid System, is brought to you by the World Intellectual Property Organization.